Vivo V70 FE versus Vivo V70 Lite. The Vivo V70 FE takes the lead here, offering a sleeker profile at just 7.6mm compared to its sibling. For a more lightweight feel, the Vivo V70 Lite wins this round, weighing in at a more comfortable 194 grams. Both smartphones are perfectly matched here. It's utilizing an AMOLED panel to deliver rich, vibrant colors. When it comes to dynamic range, both models support for HDR10, making it an absolute buy for media consumption. Aspect fluid scrolling across both screens, as both devices feature an identical ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The Vivo V70 Lite shines much brighter in outdoor conditions, boasting an impressive peak brightness of 3000 nits. The V70 FE delivers a sharper viewing experience with a superior pixel density 449 ppi for crisper details. With narrow bezels, the V70 FE offers a more immersive display, achieving a higher 90.7% screen-to-body ratio. The V70 FE claims another victory with a sharper screen resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels for better clarity. If you prefer a larger display, the V70 FE wins this round by offering a more expansive 6.83 inches of screen real estate. Both devices offer excellent durability against drops and scratches, equipped with the exact same Gorilla Glass 7i. Processing efficiency is identical across both models, with both featuring a 2.5 GHz processor architecture. The Vivo V70 Lite gains the upper hand in processing power, packing a slightly more advanced Dimensity 7400 Turbo. Graphical performance is perfectly balanced between the two, as both feature the exact same Mali G615 and C2 graphic processor. The V70 FE secures the win here, delivering much more aggressive system performance for handling heavy workflows. The software experience is a tie, with both smartphones running the latest Android 16 paired with Origin OS 6. The V70 FE offers significantly longer endurance, packed with a massive 7000 mAh battery capacity to keep you going. To choose up quickly, both models feature identical fast charging capabilities, supporting up to 90-watt input. Expandable storage is not available on either device, as both come with no dedicated slot for a micro SD card. Data transfer speeds remain perfectly matched, with both smartphones utilizing identical 3.1 storage technology. Multitasking is equally seamless on both devices, as they are both equipped with a generous 12GB of RAM. The V70 FE dominates in storage capacity, giving you double the space with an expansive 512GB of internal storage. The V70 FE takes the ground for photography, boasting a massive 200MP f1.9 wide primary camera for extreme details. For high-quality video recording, both smartphones are evenly matched, supporting up to 4K at 30fps resolution. Both devices feature a high-resolution 32MP front camera, ensuring clear selfies and high-quality video calls. Vloggers will be pleased with both options, as both front cameras successfully support crisp 4K at 30fps recording. The V70 FE provides much superior environmental protection, coming with a highly resilient IP69 1.5 meter rating. Wired headphone users should note that both devices feature no 3.5mm audio jack, requiring an adapter instead. Connectivity options remain identical for physical ports, with both utilizing a standard Type-C 2.0 connection interface. Audio immersion is equal, as both smartphones feature a dual speaker setup to deliver true stereo sound. Wireless connectivity protocols are identical on both sides, with both phones utilizing the 5.4 standard. Contactless payments and quick pairing are available on both models, with each supporting yes4 NFC features. Biometric security is identical, as both smartphones utilize a modern and convenient in-display sensor layout. The V70 FE offers superior carrier flexibility, supporting a modern dual setup consisting of two SIM eSIM connectivity. Wireless data speeds are perfectly right, with both devices featuring high-speed 5G Wi-Fi 6 support. The Vivo V70 Lite is much more budget-friendly, making it a highly attractive option for value-conscious buyers. The Vivo V70 FE takes the final victory with a total of 30 points, outperforming its competitor across multiple metrics.